Welcome to 5 Minute English Talk, the show where you learn how real people speak English naturally. I'm Jane.
And I'm Bruce. This week, we're focusing on idioms, and today's theme is all about work and career idioms. These expressions are especially useful if you study or work in an English-speaking environment, or if you just want to sound more confident in conversations about jobs, projects, and teamwork.
The first one is back to the drawing board. This means to start something over again because the first attempt didn't work. Our plan failed, so it's back to the drawing board. The design wasn't approved, so we're back to the drawing board. If this idea doesn't work, it's back to the drawing board.
The second one, climb the corporate ladder. This means to progress in your career, usually by getting promotions. He's working hard to climb the corporate ladder. Many people want to climb the corporate ladder quickly. She climbed the corporate ladder to become the CEO.
The third one, by the book. It means to follow the rules and do everything properly. The lawyer handled the case strictly by the book. The manager wants us to do things by the book. Don't worry, I did everything by the book.
And here is the bonus idiom. Think outside the box. This means to be creative and come up with new, unusual ideas. We need to think outside the box to solve this problem. Her idea was unique. She really thinks outside the box. Companies love employees who think outside the box. Let's see how a natural conversation using idioms would sound.
So Bruce, how's your project going?
Honestly, not great. Our first plan failed, so it's back to the drawing board.
That happens. At least you're learning. I'm trying to climb the corporate ladder myself, but it takes time.
True. And my boss wants everything done by the book.
Mine too. But sometimes I just want to think outside the box and try new ideas.
Exactly. That's when the best solutions happen. See, it's easy. When you practice, you can also start using them in your day-to-day conversations like a native speaker.
Did you know? The phrase back to the drawing board first appeared in the 1940s, inspired by cartoonists and engineers literally going back to their sketchboards when ideas failed.
Repeat after me. It's back to the drawing board. She's climbing the corporate ladder. He did everything by the book. We need to think outside the box. Say them again, but try to imagine real situations where you could use them.
Here's your challenge. Use one of these idioms when talking about school, work, or projects today. If a plan fails, say, it's back to the drawing board. If someone asks about your career, try, I'm climbing the corporate ladder.
Remember, your career, like your English, grows step by step. Every idiom you learn is another tool in your toolbox. That's all for today's episode of 5 Minute English Talk. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, your words can change your world.